The reservation.
Good evening. I have a reservation, and I need dinner before the theater at 9.
Good evening. Welcome.
My name is Emma Rivera.
Thank you, Miss Rivera. Yes, I see your table.
Great. Is the restaurant very busy tonight?
It is busy, but we can serve you on time.
That is good. I do not want to be late.
Of course. Your table is by the window.
By the window sounds nice.
Please follow me. I will bring the menu.
Thank you. I am very hungry.
Then we will start quickly.
Choosing the meal.
Here is the menu. Would you like some water first?
Yes, please. Still water is fine.
Very good. Do you want to hear the special?
Yes. What is the special tonight?
Tonight, we have grilled chicken with potatoes.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it is not spicy. It has lemon and herbs.
I like that. Do you have a small salad?
Yes, we have a green salad.
Good. I will have the chicken and a green salad.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink besides water?
A small glass of white wine, please.
Of course. I will bring it soon.
Thank you, Daniel. A small problem.
Here is your chicken, salad, and white wine.
Thank you. It looks very nice.
Please enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, Daniel. There's cheese in the salad.
Oh, I am sorry. Do you want it without cheese?
Yes, please. I cannot eat cheese.
No problem. I will bring a new salad.
Thank you for helping me.
Of course. The kitchen can make it fast.
That is perfect. The chicken is delicious.
I am happy to hear that.
And I still have enough time. Dessert before the show.
How was your dinner?
It was very good. Thank you.
Would you like dessert?
Maybe. I have 30 minutes before the show.
Then I suggest chocolate cake. It is ready now.
Is it big?
No, it is a small piece.
Good. I will have the chocolate cake.
Would you like coffee with it?
Yes, one small coffee, please.
I will bring them in 5 minutes.
Perfect. That gives me time to relax. The bill and goodbye. Daniel, could I have the bill, please?
Of course. Did you enjoy the cake?
Yes, it was wonderful.
I am glad. Here is your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please tap your card here.
Done. Is the service included?
Yes, it is included. Thank you.
Thank you for the fast service.
You are welcome. I called a taxi for you.
That is very kind. Now I will be on time.
Enjoy the theater, Ms. Rivera. Have a lovely night.